Hello friends, next part in computer graphics is graphics network. So far we have mainly considered graphics applications on an isolated system with a single user. Okay, so far what you studied about computer graphics application in on single user. Okay, now we will try to understand what are the applications of computer graphics in multi-user or in computer networks. Multi-user environments and computer networks are now common elements in many graphics applications. These computer graphics applications are helpful in multi-user environments and computer networks also. Various resources such as processors, printers, plotters, and data files can be distributed on network and shared by multiple users. Okay, you know about networking concept. Okay, in that network we can share the resources such as processor, printer, plotter. Okay, so modem, all those things you can share the resources among different computers. Okay, there is a server computer, there are many clients computer. Okay, so whatever files are there in server you can share to different clients. From clients you can share to server. Okay, so this is about the server client computer. Okay, so that resources. Okay, suppose there are many computers are there. If you want to take printout from one computer, okay, there is only one printer that is connected to main computer, server computer. You can take printout from any computer. Okay, actually that printer is not connected to all computers, but from all computers you can take printout. Okay, that computer is connected to server computer, so you can share the resources, share the printer. Okay, you can take print from any computer. Okay, similarly processors also you can share, plotters, scanner. Okay, and many devices you can share, and data also you can share. Okay, if you have data in one computer you can easily share in other computer. A graphics monitor on a network is generally referred to as graphics server. Okay, a graphics monitor on a network. In network there is a graphics monitor, is generally called graphics server. The computer on a network that is executing graphics applications is called the client. Okay, a computer on a network that is executing graphics application. Okay, there are many server clients computer. A client computer that is executing graphics application is called client computer. A workstation that includes processors as well as monitor and input devices can function as both server and client. Okay, in networking some computers works as both client as well as server. Okay, so this is about the graphics network. Next, graphics on internet. A great deal of graphics development is now done on the internet. Okay, nowadays you can do a graphic development on the internet also. Computers on the internet communicate using TCP/IP. Okay, computers on the internet communicate using TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Resources such as graphics files are identified by URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, resources such as graphics files, okay, are identified by Uniform Resource Locator. The World Wide Web (WWW) provides a hypertext system that allows user to locate and view documents, audio, and graphics. Okay, in the internet, in World Wide Web, okay, there is a link, there is a hypertext. Okay, that allow users to locate and view documents, maybe audio, video, or any graphics, any images, okay, etc. Each URL sometimes also called as Universal Resource Locator. The Universal Resource Locator contains two parts. One is protocol for transferring the document. Okay, for transferring, okay, protocol, that is transmission control protocol. Okay, and server contains the document, and server contains the documents. Okay, so whenever client request in internet, whenever clients request, okay, server responds it. Okay, when suppose clients request for any websites, okay, a server contain many websites, okay, it responds, it's open that particular website. Okay, if suppose you want any other audio or video or any document file, okay, whenever client request, okay, then server provides the fulfill the request. Next we have graphics software. There are two broad classifications for computer graphics software. First one is special purpose packages, second one is general programming packages. Special purpose packages are designed for non-programmers. These special purpose packages are designed for non-programmers. Okay, this only for to particular purpose only. These special purpose packages for only for particular purpose only. Okay, any non-programming programmers can work on these packages. Example: generate pictures, graphs, charts, painting programs, or CAD systems in some applications area without worrying about graphics procedure. Okay, without knowing the knowledge of programming language, okay, person can work on it. He can generate pictures, graphs, charts, paintings, okay, and some CAD systems. Second, general programming packages. General programming packages provides a library of graphics functions that can be used in programming languages such as C, C++, Java, or Fortran. Okay, these general programming packages contains what? It provides library. Okay, like some OpenGL libraries are there. Okay, then VRML, virtual reality modeling languages libraries are there. Computers graphics libraries are there. Okay, that function can be used in programming languages, okay, such as C, C++, Java, or Fortran. Okay, by using these languages, okay, you can generate some applications. Okay, we use some packages like graphics library, OpenGL, VRML, virtual reality modeling languages, Java 2D and Java 3D. Note, a set of graphics function is often called a computer graphics application programming interface. Okay, a set of graphics function is often called, okay, a set of, there are many functions are there, many graphics functions are there. A set of all graphics function is called computer graphics application programming interface. That is CG, computer graphics API, application programming interface. Okay, so this about graphics software, graphics on internet, and graphics network. Okay, thank you.